What's up guys, and welcome to the official iPhone 12 launch day. Today I got my hands on the iPhone 12 Pro. As always, your boy went all the way and picked up the most expensive 512GB model of the iPhone 12 Pro. Now just like last year, I went kind of the other way when it comes to the colors of the iPhone. I picked up the silver color of the iPhone 12 Pro. Definitely not the first priority color for most people, I guess, but I still like it. It still reminds me a lot about that white iPhone 4 back in the good old days. So still pretty excited to check this out. I'm sure you guys have seen other colors, so yeah, let's get right into it. Now we've got an extremely thin box thanks to the death of charger and headphones out of the box, of course. If you want them, you have to pay for it separately. In case you're wondering how to know the color and the storage size of your iPhone model, you can check that out by looking at this downside of the box. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up real quick. Okay, there we go. That's the plastic, and boom, that's the box, and that's the iPhone 12 Pro first look in the silver color. Wow, it looks really white from this angle. I'm sure it will show off kind of a different aesthetic depending on the light situation, but yeah, it looks really clean. I don't know, some people might prefer this over the other colors. I guess it has that very mature look to it, in my opinion. Let's quickly remove the iPhone from the box and put it on the side. First, we're gonna take a look at the accessories. Again, super simple. We've got Apple stickers plus some paperwork, and then finally the USB-C to Lightning cable. Now, it doesn't feel and look any different from the USB-C to Lightning cable that I got from my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here's a comparison with the old USB-C cable. To me, it seems pretty much the same. Okay, let's take a look at the iPhone 12 Pro in the all-new silver color. So I'm just gonna quickly remove this. There we go. And yeah, we have nothing on the back. Sides are looking really shiny. With the silver color, you have this almost like a mirror kind of finish to the sides. I mean, other colors have some kind of color tone to the side, but this one is just like super reflective, high quality mirror finish. And honestly, looking really nice. Reminds me of the old iPhone 4 days. So let's just quickly power up this bad boy. As always, Apple A14 chip with 6 gigs of RAM. Yes, the Pro models are coming with 6 GB of RAM. Let me know if you guys want to see a speed test against any other phone. Drop your comments. Boot up was really quick. Let me just quickly set it up. Okay, so I'm done with the setup, and first impression wise, I can definitely say that this phone feels actually more comfortable to hold in hand compared to the previous iPhone 11 generation. Here's my iPhone 11 Pro Max next to the iPhone 12 Pro, and I've got big hands. I can hold the Pro Max comfortably, but the sides have sort of been slippery for me. Like, I don't feel that slippery feeling with the 12 Pro. Definitely feels more grippy in hand, and obviously I do think that this is a lot more premium, like this whole new design that Apple has done. Now, since this is a standard iPhone 12 Pro model, it's got a 6.1 inch display. Definitely very handy, and it's big enough as well. I guess for most people it's going to be a very optimal display to use. As for those who prefer the absolute biggest size, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will come next month, and if you're someone who prefer a really small size, then you will get the iPhone 12 mini coming at 5.4 inches. Now, the bezels and the notch are same as the iPhone 11 Pro series. The main difference of bezels is from the iPhone 11 LCD model to the iPhone 12, but Pro series are pretty much the same. Now, the display quality looks really stunning. It's the OLED XDR display from Apple. It's really bright with the peak brightness of 1200 nits, but it's still having a 60 Hz refresh rate, so although very smooth, like honestly, most people will be completely fine with it. Like, it still is one of the fastest and the most smoothest phones I've ever tried out. Apple A14 chip and everything. But yeah, no 120 Hz. Now on the back, we have the triple camera setup with a brand new 12 megapixel main lens along with the LiDAR sensor. I'm definitely going to be testing that out in the upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe. The camera UI and everything is very similar to the 11 Pro from last year. Of course, night mode now works with all lenses. There's Dolby Vision 4K 60 FPS video recording. Plus the portrait mode will use the LiDAR sensor in low light situations to give you guys better results. Also in the future, we get the Apple Pro RAW support, so for those who want to play with their iPhone photos afterwards and they want to edit and get the most out of it, that is coming pretty soon. Also, both Diffusion and Smart HDR3 work with all lenses. So yeah, I'll be doing a lot more videos on the iPhone 12 Pro. Do subscribe to the channel for that, and I will say the silver color looks pretty nice. It's definitely plain white on the back and silver on the sides. Very clean and minimal color option for the iPhone 12 Pro series. Yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.